Hello everybody, today we can see the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI Rubella IgG CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Rubella IgG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label, 2 ml internal quality control. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 1302120003M, then lot number, then expiry date also. Here we can see the pictorial representation of this product. On instruction manual inside this kit, we can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is overall front view of this product. Now I am going to see the other angles. In the side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the other side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Rubella IgG. The reference number of this kit 1302120003M. Then lot number, then expiry date also. This is the overall representation of this kit. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking this, the first one is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI Rubella IgG. Here we can see the reference number 1302120003M 100 test. This is C certificate IVD product. In this instruction manual, we can see indent use, summary and explanation of this test, principle of the test, kit components, and lot of stuff in this instruction manual. And keep this aside. And the next one is quality control information. Here we can see MAGLUMI Rubella IgG CLIA quality control information, internal quality control, then lot number of the control, target value range, notes, stability. These are the information in this quality information, quality control information. And the next one is MAGLUMI reagent seal for Rubella IgG. And the next one is Rubella IgG internal quality control sticker 4 noses. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe. And the next one is MAGLUMI quality control 2 ml. Here you can see clearly volume of 2 ml, internal quality control. And keep this aside. And the next one is MAGLUMI Rubella IgG reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label. This is a solution this reagent contains. I am going to first summary. Today we see about Snibe MAGLUMI Rubella IgG CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a quality control information, a reagent seal 3 noses, a QC certificate provided by Snibe, a internal quality control sticker, volume of 2 ml internal quality control solution, then reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label. Thank you.